Hi, grade 8, Brian here. I tutor math, NS, EMS, and social science. I also have a team of tutors. So if you ever need assistance with any subject, you can inbox and we will definitely assist you. On today's lesson, we'll be doing this question on exponents. Let's get started. Grade 8, here we are given this question and we are asked to simplify. So we are given y, open bracket, y to the power of -2, x to the power of 4 over x, y to the power of 2, close bracket, all to the power of 2 there. So now let's simplify it together. What you need to understand is that everything inside the bracket will be affected by this exponent right here, meaning this exponent will affect everything that is inside the bracket. So I'm going to have my y to the power of -2, right, multiplied by a 2 there. So this -2 times this 2 right here. And then I'm going to have my x to the power of 4 multiplied by this 2 right here. Right? All over x. There's an invisible 1 on this x right here. There's an invisible exponent 1. So I'm going to say that 1 times 2. So every time you have something like this, just know that there's an invisible exponent there. Since there's no exponent, so there's an invisible exponent, which is 1. So I'm going to say that 1 times 2. 1 times 2 there. Then y, 2 times 2. Then let's simplify together. So we'll have our y minus 2 times 2. What do we get? We get a -4, right? X, 4 times 2, we get an 8 all over x. 1 times 2 will get 2. Y, 2 times 2 will get 4. Then now we are going to apply the second law of exponent, which says when dividing powers of the same base, we take one base and subtract the exponents. You can see here we have our bases. They are the same, right? And we are dividing. We have y on top. We have y at the bottom. We also have x on top. We have x at the bottom. So I'm going to start with my x. It doesn't matter even if you start with your y, you still get your answer correct. So I'm going to write 1x. I'm going to take one base of x and then subtract their exponents, meaning I'm going to say 8 minus 2. That 8 on top there minus 2. Do the same here. I'm going to take 1 y and then minus their exponents. So minus 4 minus this 4. And then let's finalize our answer. I'm going to have my answer as 8 minus 2. What do we get? We get a 6. Y minus 4 minus 4. What do we get? We'll get a minus 8. Let's hope it makes perfect sense. So yes, that's how you simplify that question there. We were given this question and asked to simplify. So to simplify it, you just have to follow all these steps that I did right here, and then you'll get your final answer.